3, 2, 1. Hello people, I am back with another video. And today I am going to be taking all the food in my fridge and just blending it all together. And then I'm gonna eat it. It's gonna taste so bad, but you know, it'll be fine. I've had plenty of terrible things in my life, like eating them, so I don't think it will be that bad. So I'll be back once I do that. So here's all the stuff in my fridge, and so I'm gonna blend all of it, at least most of it, and I'll do a fast motion thing with me giving all this stuff. Put it all in the blender, and look at this, it's so disgusting. Oh my gosh, it's like so much gross stuff in there. It's gonna be so gross. I'll be back when it's blended. Now I'm going to drink it. If you guys could smell this, you would all be puking. It smells so bad. Okay. 3, 2, 1. That's actually the worst thing I've ever had. Oh my gosh. Are you serious? Never do this, ever. It's the worst thing. I think, let's see that. I think a little bit of puke came out. Alright, well, that's the video. Hope you all enjoyed watching me go through torture of drinking that awfulness. But thank you all for watching. Be sure to subscribe and turn on the post notification for the shout outs. And this shout out for the post notification shout out goes to E and N Trick Shots. Go be sure to subscribe to them. They are very great. I edit the videos for them. They don't have any posts, but they're making a video, and it's not yet finished, but it'll be great because I edited it. Bye for now. Peace.